Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English with Joanna. In today's video, we are going to talk about an idiom that's especially useful for the working people. Burning the midnight oil. But before we dive in, remember that I help Spanish speakers sound natural and fluent in English. So also remember to like, share and subscribe for more idioms and fluency tips. And now, let's see what burning the midnight oil means. Meet Carlos, a young professional who recently joined a tech company. On his very first week, Carlos was asked to lead a major project that had fallen behind schedule. The team was stressed, and there was no way they would meet the deadline unless they worked overtime. So what did Carlos do? He burned the midnight oil, which means he worked late into the night. So if you ever find yourself working late to finish a project, meet a deadline, or even study for an exam, know that you are burning the midnight oil. Now it's your turn. When was the last time you burned the midnight oil? Was it for work, studying, or maybe a personal project? Share your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more idioms and fluency tips. And thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you in the next video.